Sun safety isn't just a one-day affair, it's a daily commitment. Malignant melanoma is a potentially life-threatening form of skin cancer that often goes unnoticed until it's too late. Knowing the signs can make all the difference. That's why the Canadian Dermatology Association uses the ABCDEs of melanoma, a simple guide to recognizing the signs of this type of skin cancer. It goes like this. Asymmetry is when the shape on one side is different from that on the other side. Border is when the border or visible edge is irregular, ragged, and imprecise. Color notes a color variation with different possible hues including brown, black, red, gray, or white within the lesion. Diameter. Growth is typical of melanoma. It can measure more than 6 millimeters, although it can be less. And evolution. Look for a change in color, size, shape, or symptoms such as itching, tenderness, or bleeding. Melanoma commonly appears on the back and legs in lighter-skinned people and on the hands, nails, and feet in darker-skinned people. Sun exposure is a major risk factor in causing melanoma. It's Check Your Skin Day, and it's a simple act that can save lives. In addition to limiting sun exposure, especially from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. when the UV index is greater than 3, seeking shade, wearing protective clothing, and using an SPF 30 or higher broad-spectrum sunscreen, checking your skin regularly is one of the most important things you can do. So take steps to protect yourself and your loved ones and help prevent the long-term consequences of too much sun. Sun safety starts with you. Be sun safe.